In this tutorial, I guide you through the process of making your TikTok account public again, allowing everyone to view your content. Make sure to wait until the end to ensure a smooth transition. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. To begin, open the TikTok app and navigate to your profile. On your profile page, you'll see the private account label indicating that your account is currently set to private. This means that your content is only visible to your approved followers. If you wish to make your account public again, simply tap on the three lines icon to access the menu. Then select Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy to proceed to the Privacy settings page. At the top of the screen, you'll find the private account feature. Currently, it is turned on, indicating that only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. To make your account public, simply toggle off the private account feature. This will allow everyone to view your content, even users who are not your followers, and there you have it. You've successfully made your TikTok account public again. If you have any questions about the tutorial, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and until next time, happy TikToking!